Hi, I am Sneha and I am an ex-Nestle employee. So I joined Nestle as a sales officer trainee through a campus placement, and within 4 months I got confirmed as a sales officer. So there was this one question that I was very curious about between and before my joining process. I had this thought, what does my job role involve? What will I supposed to do? I used to search so much. I used to do ChatGPT, YouTube, Instagram, and I used to search hashtags like sales officer, a day in life of sales officer, but I couldn't find anything. And until and unless you don't see people, you do not understand what will I be asked to do. Maybe if I could have seen a video like this, maybe or may not be, my decision would have been changed. So there was this one shoot done by the organization itself for like better hiring process or making it more. That was a very good initiative done by themselves. That they did a day in my life shoot and they were going to show it to students in the campus placement process so that students get a clarity about what they are going to do, and that was something very good. I am posting it for all of those students who are gonna be who are coming to be sales officers or who are curious to know like what life looks outside the four walls of office, people working in field and everything. Also, disclaimer, the video was shoot. And I will not say that it's 100% reality again, because they were going for campus placement. So they will obviously not show that everything is how harsh. They actually showed a very refined version of a day in my life. But I believe this will help you get 70% of idea what you're going to do, and 30% depends on your location and kind of place you're posted in, because again, sales officer, field sales, NOTs, nutrition officers, all of this is very demanding. You have to be on your toes all the time. So I don't say that it's the whole truth, but a very good version to understand what you will be expected to do and how actually your day will look. So yeah, let's go.
The day starts on the move. Every mile brings you closer to the heart of the business, the distributor point where plans turn into action. These are your plans. As a sales officer, you own the business of your area. First, you dive into operations, guiding the team and making sure everything is ready for the market hustle for the day. The plans are reviewed, targets are checked, and motivation has to be kept at a high.
So stay motivated. शाम को हम हर दिन की जीत पे बात करेंगे and we'll see कि हमने कितना achieve किया. Okay. Have a good day.
You align on major milestones with the distributor before you head to the market. Then it's time to hit the market. Every shop is a new conversation.
तो अभी तो आया था ना पिछली बार स्टॉक?
आउट ऑफ स्टॉक है मैडम।
तो आते ही बिक गया पूरा। नेस्कैफे 5 वाला है स्टॉक में?
ये लगा हुआ।
मर्चेंडाइजर का विजिट डेली आता है?
जी, हर वीक आता है।
हर वीक आता है। सुधार जो हमसे चाहिए हो।
हमसे CPL से कोई शिकायत नहीं।
Thank you.
Every negotiation a chance to build trust. You're not just selling, you're shaping relationships. This is when you coach your team on how to sell effectively.
25% हमारा मंच जाएगा और फिर आपका 25% में दूसरा जाएगा। तो ये वाला मंच उठा के इधर डाल दो।
There's nothing more enriching than seeing how your team develops basis your feedback. Technology empowers us to focus on what is essential, yet retain that human touch not only with the team, but also with the retailers and the consumers whose life we impact. Taking a quick coffee break, because amidst the busiest days, it's important to pause, reflect, and recharge. Support is never far away. Nestle is invested in your growth and skill development. Your area sales manager is there to guide, coach, and help you grow. Back at the distributor point, it's time to influence, aligning on targets, driving execution, and making things happen. It's not always easy, but the aim is to arrive at a win-win situation for everyone. It's not easy, but that's what makes it so rewarding. Growth, recognition, and the pride of making an impact.
So at the end, all I can say is, from fighting over the last Kit Kat in school to sipping Nescafe to survive exams all nights, Nestle wasn't just in my kitchen, it was in my memories, my hustle, my comfort zone, and now it is more in my email signature. Thank you.
Okay, so this was it for this video. If you liked it, do like, share and subscribe my channel for more such content related to sales, FMCG, lifestyle and etc.